Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can you predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. Okay, so here I have taken my trade in up direction, so let's see what happens with the market. If I see the market here, I can easily see the next level is here. So now you can see here still I'm seeing a gap. So because of this gap I can easily go with the buyers, so therefore I'm winning my trade here. Okay, so this was my first trade and I won my trade here. Now I'm going to take a trade each and every minute trading, so let's see what happens. I can easily go with the buyers from this area. Okay, so sorry for this, but the candle will go up from this point. So here I took my trade. Why? You can see it is very much visible here from this point to this point. This whole area is a strong buyer zone. So therefore you can see from this point market is getting the rejection and the candle is going up. Now you can see the candles are going up from this point, so my entry point is good, so I will win this trade for sure. Now okay, let's analyze another market here. Okay, I need to analyze the market quickly here now. Okay, so from this point I will not take any kind of trade here because the buyers are strong. So okay, I have taken my trade in an up direction, so let's see what happens. So the next candle will close above our entry point for sure. Why? You can see this is a momentum. Market went down, got a rejection, now it is going up. So therefore because of this strong momentum and because of this weak seller's entry, I took my trade and I am winning this trade here. Now you can see I also won this one. So let me analyze this market here. Okay, so if I analyze the market I can go with the buyers confidently here. Okay, yes, I need to secure myself here, so I took my trades here in the up direction. So here I want to show you one thing. This is the level and now you can see market is getting the rejection from exactly this level, so therefore I took my trade and the candle will also go up and will close above my entry point here. So let's see what happens here, because I'm seeing green, red, green, red, green, red. I can expect a green candle here, but I will definitely win this trade here because of my entry point. Now you can see I won my trade here. Okay, so luckily I won this trade, so no issues. Winning is winning, whether it's by inches or miles, so no issues at all. So here I have taken my trade. Okay, so if I draw a level here, okay, so now I can easily see that the trend is going down. Okay, so I need to check a level here from this point to this point. This candle is a breakout candlestick and now you can see the next candle is also going down, so I can confidently go with the sellers. Okay, so I have taken my trade in a down direction and you will see the next candle will also go down from this area. We will not see any kind of retracement candle here. Okay, so now let's see what happens. This candle is a sign of continuation here. So if the candle goes up, I will secure myself again. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, I have taken my trades here. Okay, so because of a very good entry point. So now let's see what happens here. I will definitely win this trade because I told you this candle is a breakout, and I was only waiting for a good entry point, and now you can see how the market is coming down. So this is how you can take trades, and this is how we can win easily. I'm taking each and every minute trading, so let me go to CAD and CHF. So here you can see I won my trade here because I knew the trend is going to continue here. Okay, so if I analyze CAD and CHF, the trend is a strong momentum right now. Okay, here I'm seeing a strong momentum. I cannot take it as a trend. Okay, so if I draw a line here, now you can see this is the level, this is the next area, and this candle is a breakout of this zone. So now this candle will show us that what kind of situation we are having in this market here. Now you can see from this point to this point. Now I can go with the sellers confidently. Why? You can see I have drawn the levels here, and the strength of the buyers almost ends here. You can see it is very much visible. Now you can see here from this point I need to draw this area. From this point sellers are entering. From this point now sellers will show us that what kind of situation we are having here in this zone. So therefore the sellers are entering into the market, and here we will win our trade for sure. Now you can see we are winning this trade. So this is the way to analyze the market and take trades. And if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries you can ask me. I will try my level best to tell you what I know in the easiest way. Now you can see I want to explain each and every trade here. You can see the market movement. From this point, after this point market made a new high, so therefore market went up. But you can see by drawing this area, you can see reversal occurred with a reversal candle. Now you can see this is the reversal candle or doji candle at the level. Buyers tried their level best with this candle. They purchased each and every stuff, so now they are not interested. Therefore sellers entered and they took the advantage here. Okay, so I want to show you here the trend was a downtrend, and therefore I took my trade and I won my trade here. Now you can see from this area I took my trade, and luckily I won this trade because my prediction was for an up candle, and candle got the rejection from this baseline. Okay, so now here you can see I knew that after this weak seller entry strong buyers will enter, so therefore they enter into the market. And now from this area you can see I took my trade with a margin of safety, and I also won this trade. And now you can see I took also here an up direction trade. Why? Because the market was trying to go up from this area, still I'm seeing an engulfing pattern, so therefore I took my trade and sign of continuation. Because of this I won my trade. So if you like, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed. You all have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye.